Hey everyone, how are you? It's Zach. I'm back here behind the camera. I just wanted to show you exactly what we do. Um, this is the SPY. This is the most heavily traded stock in the world, the SPY. It mirrors the move in the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is the 500 largest public companies headquartered in the United States of America. You also have the Dow and the Nasdaq, the DIA and the QQQ, and they look similar to this. I can show you those in a second. But this is the SPY. It's the average move in the market. You have, and it's a $370 stock. You have stocks that are $3,000. You have stocks that are $1. This is just the average move in the market. So this is Friday right here. If you can see the cursor right here, the in Los Angeles, the morning session opens at 1 a.m. This is 1 a.m. right here, and you have the overnight pre-market data, and then you come into here and you can see the candles are a little more colorful. Just so you know, this is a 15-minute chart. This is a 1-minute chart down here. These are candles. Nothing of this is in our algorithm. It's not based on time frames or candles or indicators or anything like this. It's built off of real market sector data. I wrote an algorithm around the entire market. I can just see inside the entire market and what everything is doing. This is just a chart of the S&P 500. So here's the morning data, and then we traded, and then over the course of the day we fell, and this is the 1-minute chart of the SPY. So let's see. Let me show you exactly what we did. I'm gonna right up here. I have on a screen above here. I have the time and the prices. So it's 6:32 a.m. So when I say 6:32, it's within seconds. When the algorithm gives me a signal, it's within the minute, or I'm not saying like the second it gave us the signal. It was probably like 6:32 in like 2 seconds or whatever, and it's right here. It's this price right here of 374.92. Very quickly, I don't know the exact second, but within a minute, it shorted us at 374.77. So just right in here as well. So we lost 15 cents on that. The market dropped, and the algorithm gave us at 637, which is right here. The market gave us a buy at 374.07, so we're in here. Now things are happening fairly quickly at this point, right when the market opens, but there's nothing I can do about that. We are just responsible for, what does a money manager need to do for its clients? She needs to not lose money. That's the whole name of the game. We cannot lose money. And if we don't lose money, we don't want to sit here and say, oh, we're going to make this, we're going to make that. We have to concentrate on not losing money. And if you can do that, you will have exceptional profits when you do something like that. So anyway, but here we are up 70 cents making this trade 4 minutes later. Now we're up, we're up 55 cents. Now, it tells us to buy here, right, at 374.07, and then it goes down to 373.15. So it goes a full dollar against us pretty much, and then it pops. Right? And then it's 6:51. The algorithm goes off at 374.32. So where's it? 6:51 is right here. Algorithm goes off. We only made 25 cents on this, okay? We get a short at 6:51, 21 minutes after the market's been open. Now, look what the market does. The market goes up to 376.60. So it goes $2.50 in our face, But the algorithm just said, to hold. We actually didn't have anything close to getting a buy. So, right now you're just kind of hoping, that everything's still intact. And then look what happened over the course of the day. Market falls, and we closed here at 370.11. And this is a compressed chart of what the time frame, kind of what the day looked like. So look, that's pretty sick, right? We had to trade 4 times, but very quickly off the open. It can happen. Some days it happens, some days it doesn't happen. I just beg you to stick with us, because the more trades it takes off the open, the more the market's going to expand, is kind of what we're finding out. So, and then we made, almost 5 points in the SPY on Friday, and that is like making 500 points in the Dow. I mean, look, this is stuff that's just never been done before. And, to me, I've been, fighting to do this for 7, I started 20 years ago. For 7 years, I've been trying to get this particular thing to work. And so it was kind of like, you kind of sit around for the rest of the day, but basically, we don't think about what's going to go on during the day. We have to sit there. Is it boring? This and that. We are here to serve a purpose, and that's to make money. And Friday we were able to do that. So hopefully you have a good week. Thank you so much for watching this little video. Sign up at Spalgo, and hope to see you in the chat. Thanks so much. Bye.